What's up guys, it's me Nick Daniel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this video, our subject is pre-calculus and we will talk about hyperbola. Hyperbola is the set of all points in the plane, the difference of whose distances from two fixed points called foci is constant. Just like other conic sections, there are two sets of formula in hyperbola. It can be horizontal or vertical. In the horizontal, we use the formula x minus h squared all over a squared minus y minus k squared all over b squared is equal to 1. In the vertical, we use the formula y minus k squared all over a squared minus x minus h squared all over b squared is equal to 1. The orientation of the hyperbola is dependent on the x or y axis. If the y is negative, it means it is horizontal, but when the x is negative, it is vertical. As we observe, this formula is similar to ellipse, but in the ellipse, the sign is positive. Always remember that here in hyperbola, the sign is always negative here. Now, let's have an example of hyperbola with the center at the origin. X squared over 9 minus y squared over 16 is equal to 1. First step, let's construct the framework. But before that, let's find the following parts. The principal axis is located at x-axis. The center is 0, 0 because it is given that it is at the origin. The vertices. To find the vertices, we need the A and B. The A squared is 9, so the square root of 9 is positive or negative 3. The B squared is 16, so the square root of B squared is positive or negative 4. So, our vertices is negative 3, 0, and 0, negative 3. Our co-vertices is 4, 0, and negative 4, 0. Now, let's find the foci. For finding the foci, we need to use the Pythagorean theorem. C squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Our a squared is 9 and our b squared is 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25. The square root of 25 is 5. So C is equals to positive or negative 5. So our foci is negative 5 and 0, 0, and 0 and 5. This is our foci 1 and focus 1 and focus 2. In the ellipse, we use the term major and minor axis, but here in hyperbola, we use transverse and conjugate axis. Transverse axis is segment joining the vertices, while conjugate axis, the segment perpendicular to transverse axis passing through the center. Our transverse axis is 6 because 3 plus 3 is 6. Our conjugate axis is 8 because 4 plus 4 is 8. Transverse axis is the 2a and the conjugate axis is 2b. And the asymptotes are here. Now, let's sketch the graph. So this is the sketch of the graph hyperbola x squared over 9 minus y squared over 16 is equals to 1. So that's all for our topic, hyperbola at the center of the origin. Thank you for watching. Bye! God bless!